Okay, time for a brief overview of Chapter 2. We're going to be discussing real numbers. So we've been using the counting numbers, whole numbers, and integers, and they are all real numbers. Rational and irrational numbers, such as fractions and decimals, are real numbers also. The golden ratio, which is used in art and in architecture, is also a real number. See how it's used? The golden ratio is used in the Parthenon. Leonardo da Vinci used the golden ratio quite often. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so let's preview Chapter 2. So let's look at the skills that we need to know and what we're going to be learning. So first of all, you know how to multiply a number with two identical factors. So we know what 8 times 8, 9 times 9, 10 times 10, 11 times 11. Yeah, 64, 81, 100, 121. In Lesson 2.5, we're going to be discussing the square root of a number. So the square root of 4, what two numbers can you multiply together, the same number, to get 4? Well, 2 times 2 is 4. What we're looking at is the square tiles. As you put them 2 by 2, then we can tell that the square root of 4 is 2. You also know how to graph whole numbers on a number line. So here we've got a 1 and a 4 graphed. So where would you graph 3 and 5? Very good. You put a 3 here, graph it here, and the 5 over here. So in Lesson 2.6, we're going to be comparing real numbers, and we're going to use a number line. We're going to be using greater than, less than, or equal to compare a 3.6 and the square root of 9. So think about the square root of 9. What number times itself will give you 9? You're right. It'll give you 3. So the square root of 9 is less than 3.6. Okay, very good. Some key vocabulary. You're going to have a vocabulary sheet that has 6 vocabulary words on this bundle. I would like for you to look up those words so that you are prepared for our first lesson. So irrational number, ratio, percent, real number, rational number, and square root. So if you do that first, and then you'll be set for Lesson 2.1.